Hi everyone, my name is Kamran Ayub and welcome to my course Contributing to an Open Source Project on GitHub. I'm a technologist, speaker, and educator based in the Midwest, and I've been involved in open source ever since I started coding over a decade ago. I've contributed to many different projects both in and outside of my professional career, but I have to admit my favorite open source project that I help maintain is an open source game engine. In this course, you'll learn practical skills to become an effective contributor through a simulated project where we'll tackle common scenarios you're likely to run into in the real world. I know being a first-time contributor to open source can be intimidating, which is why I've made sure to include tons of tips and advice to help you overcome any fears you might have. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include exploring projects that interest you, identifying good first issues to work on, communicating effectively and responsibly, handling common pull request scenarios, and following users, issues, and pull requests. By the end of this course, you'll be well equipped to dive into an open source project on GitHub and start making high-quality contributions that you can feel proud of. Before beginning the course, you should be comfortable with using day-to-day Git commands and working within a GitHub repository. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to be an effective open source contributor with the Contributing to an Open Source Project on GitHub course at Pluralsight.